So I have a lot of colors in my head. I'm going to go through all of those colors. I'm going to tell you the specs of this hair, and I'm going to show you how I installed these so that they stayed looking pretty decent even though I went to a water park. I washed my hair with these in. I've done a lot of things, okay? Hey y'all, it's Jaila, aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back to my channel if this is your first time here. Alright y'all, I'm just gonna keep it real with you. This is not the hairstyle that I planned. I planned to do a protective style for my vacation, and this is what I ended up with. So if you want to know about this actual style, these are passion twists, go ahead and keep on watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you know anytime I'm posting a new video. I have done passion twists before on my channel. I'll go ahead and leave those videos linked. First things first, the hair that I used in order to achieve this style is from Outre. This is what the pack looks like. I used a total of 6 packs of hair for this head. I have 54 twists in my head. I use 2 strands of hair per twist. The most important thing for you to know is the colors that I used on my hair. 1 pack of 1B. I used 1 pack of Macchiato, which was a very beautiful like brown mix. I used 1 pack of 1B30, 2 packs of 1B27, which would be these ones. And then I used a half a pack of our beloved 613, which is this. So those are all the packs, or all the colors that I use on my head. So I am going to just tell you the story behind how I ended up with passion twists, even though I'm not really a fan of passion twists. And you know that again if you watch on previous videos. So I bought all of this hair with the intent to actually install butterfly locks. I wanted to do butterfly locks because I have not done them before, and I thought that these colors would look super cute. And the time came for me to actually install. They was looking like doo-doo turds, y'all. Like, they were not looking very good. I don't know, I couldn't get the butterfly effect, and I had to go on vacation the very next day. So I was like, you know what, I can't sit here and play around with these butterfly locks. I need something that I know how to do, that I can just put in my head and keep moving. So that is how we ended up with passion twists. I have to say I'm pleasantly surprised with this set of passion twists, and it's because I did them a lot differently. Let me tell you the things I did. First things first, I installed on plaits, not on loose hair. So my natural hair is not frizzing up out of these twists. Last time I had slipping at the root, and that was really bothersome, but I crocheted this hair in my head this time, so I had no slipping issues or anything like that. Okay y'all, so let me show you how I installed this hair to make sure that I really didn't have any slipping at the root. So this is my hair in this plait. I'm going to go ahead and crochet this water wave hair through the top of my braid, or the top of my plait. Just taking my crochet hook, making sure it's closed, sticking it through there, and now our latch is open. I'm going to take our water wave hair, attach it to that latch, close it up, and then pull it right on through. So now you actually see that the loop is through my hair. I'm only going to pull one side through. So now I'm just making sure these sections are even, and I'm going to twist on top of my natural hair in order to get our passion twist. And that's how I install these twists. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also like this video so that YouTube can share with other people, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.